Tapp-e delivers a unique and smart charging solution for electric cars. The Tapp-e charging solution can be integrated into existing and new fencing. It can also be freestanding or wall-mounted. This provides a lot of advantages. The system is concealed in a unique aluminium profile, so there is no need for large excavation works, which makes it quick and easy to install. Additionally, Tapp-e makes optimal use of the existing power supply through its use of load balancing. Overall, the Tapp-e system saves you 30% on installation costs. Our modular technology enables the Tapp-e system to be easily scaled up to a maximum of 8 charging ports per powerhouse, leading to even more savings in the future. An additional advantage is that several car charger brands can be used with the Tapp-e system. Tapp-e is easy.